DNA is susceptible to spontaneous change that would lead to DNA damage. UV radiation is one of the physical influences that can cause DNA damage. There are many types of DNA damage, but essentially, they can be either single-strand breaks or double-strand breaks. In single-strand breaks, DNA polymerases act by filling in the gap on the broken DNA strand. Then, DNA ligase seals the DNA strand. In double-strand breaks, the mRNA complex that consists of RII, RAD50, and NBS proteins binds to the 5' end of the broken DNA strand. The mRNA complex digests the DNA strand in the 5' to 3' direction. RAD52 binds to the 3' overhang. RAD52 interacts with RAD51, triggering a DNA strand exchange with the undamaged homologous DNA fragment. DNA polymerase synthesizes DNA. DNA ligase seals the break. A holiday junction resolves the resulting structure.